Standard 5th Maths, Problem Set 2, Chapter 2, Number Work. So, first question is, using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, write 10 each of 2 digits, 3, 4 and 5 digit number, read the numbers. So, यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या पूछा है कि ये 0 to 9 अल्फ़ा नहीं नंबर्स के हेल्प से 10 नंबर बनाओ और फिर उसको न्यूमरल्स में लिखो भी, नंबर्स नेम में लिखो भी. सो लेट्स सी. सो वी हैव टू राइट 10 2 डिजिट्स नंबर. सी इट इज़ अप टू यू. आप अपने पसंद का कोई भी 2 डिजिट नंबर लिख सकते हो ये 0 to 9 के हेल्प से. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फर्स्ट वाला हमने लिखा 10. सो आपको 20 30 लिखना है चलेगा, और 15 24 43 5 6 and 7 9 1 3 5. Your answer can be different from mine. आपका आंसर अलग हो सकता है मेरे आंसर से, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अपने मनपसंद से अपने मन से कोई भी 2 डिजिट बनाने बोले. सो सी 1 and 0 becomes 10, 1 and 5 15, 2 and 4 24. So TWENTY 24. Then 43, FORTY 43. Then 56 56. Then 67 67. Then 91 91. 35 42 and the last one 95. सी आप लोगों के आंसर्स मेरे आंसर से अलग हो सकते हैं बिकॉज यू कैन मेक नंबर ऑफ योर चॉइस. सो नाउ 3 डिजिट्स नंबर. सो 3 डिजिट वी कैन मेक ऑफ आवर चॉइस. फर्स्ट वन लेट्स सी 105. Then 2 3 4. Then 3 5 6 4 2 1 5 0 3. 642. Then 726. You can write any number, whatever you want. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 862. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 1 1. So let's see how to write this. 100 and 5. Then see you need tens 100. So 200 and 34. Then 300 and 56. Then 400 and 21. 500 and 3 6 142, 726, 972, 862, 111. So now 4-digit number we have to write. So let's take 1000, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if you want to take easy numbers, so take 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, like this. These are the easy number. And if you want to mix it, so write 1, 2, 3, 4, 1234. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. You can make anything of your choice. 2, 3, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 4, 5072. So anything. Now 1000, 2000. See, we made easy number, so it is easy to write. Then 3000, then 4000, then see 1000, 200 and 34. Now 5000, 600 and 78. Then 1000. There is no 100, so and 1012. Then 2000 and 300. 4000 and 4. And then last 5000 and 72. Okay, 5-digit number. So you can again make easy one if you want. So like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. So I am making here easy numbers. So this is 50,000. Now here you can write 11,213. Whatever you want, you can make your own easy numbers. We just have to make 5-digit number. So these are the 5-digit number. Now we have to write them. So see, this is easy. 10, 1000. Okay, then this one 11,000, 200 and 13. Then 20,000, then 31. So 31,000, 200 and 22. Then 30,000, then 44,000, 400 and 44. Then 40,000, then 52,000, 100 and 34. 50,000, and the last one 62,000, 100 and 34. Okay. Okay, second question, fill in the blanks in the table below. Devanagari numerals, international numerals, number written in words. Now see, what is Devanagari numerals? Devanagari numerals means now we live in Maharashtra. So these are the numbers in Marathi or Hindi. So almost same. So see, this is 2, 3, 5, 9. To learn this Devanagari, so you must know at least, see, 0 we write as 0 only, 1 is like this, 2 is like this, 3 is like this, 4, 5, 6 is like this, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the Devanagari numerals. So here 2359, they have written in all form, international and words. We have to convert this number in international. Now see, this is what 3, then ये 2 है तो 2, this is 7, 5 and 6, तो 32, 32,000, 700 and 56. Okay, yeah, 67. So 6 we write like this, 7 we write like this, 67, 8, then 5 and then 9. So answer will be 67,859. Okay, then see, this is what 1. So 1 0 3 4. So that is 1034. Okay. Now the last one, 27,895. So first write in English 27,895. Then 2 म्हणजे 2. Then 7. And then 8, 9 and 5. Okay. Now the third question, as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad school made and provided paper bags to provision stores and green groceries. Read the taluka wise number of the bag and write the number in words. प्लास्टिक अवॉइड करने का प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा था, तो जिला परिषद स्कूल ने क्या किया, राशन शॉप वालों को और सब्जी वालों को पेपर बैग प्रोवाइड किया. सो कौन से गांव में कितना पेपर बैग प्रोवाइड किया है वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. वी हैव टू राइट दैम इन वर्ड्स. हमको इसको वर्ड्स में लिखना है. सो सी कोपरगांव. So Kopargaon, you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So that means 12. So here 12,700 and 40. Second one, Shegaon. So 28,095. So here 28,000 and 95. Then Karzat, 31,608. Then Sangamner, 10,000, 972. Okay. Fourth question, how many rupees do they make? 20 notes of 1000 rupees. सी यहाँ पे क्या पूछ रहे, ये इन्होंने ना छोटा नोट्स रखा, 20 नोट्स है अलग अलग. सो 1000 का नोट है तो 20 कितना होंगे. फिर 5 notes of 100 and 14 of 10. So we have to do some kind of 20 notes of 1000. Then 5 notes of 100 and then 14 notes of 10. Then see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, zeros get count and 2 ones are 2. So 20 into 1000, 20,000. 5 ones are 5 and 2 0. 14 ones are 14 and 0. So now we just have to add them. इन सबको हम ऐड कर देंगे. So 0, 4, 6, 20. So total amount okay, 20,640. Let's see second sums. 15 notes of 1000 rupees, 12 notes of 100, 8 notes of 10. So 15 into 1000, 12 into 100 and 8 into 10. So 15, then 12 and then 80. So total amount 16,280. Now write fifth question. Write the biggest and the smallest 5-digit number that can be made. Use the digit 45037 only once. Now see, हमको biggest और smallest नंबर बनाना है. So see, इसमें biggest is the 7 and then 5, then 4, then 3 and then 0. So it is 75,430. अब smallest बनाने के लिए ascending order की तरह we will write 0, 3 नहीं, 0 से start करोगे. See what they have asked, 5-digit number. So अगर हम 0 से लिखते हैं, see 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, तो स्टार्टिंग का 0 कट गया. सो ये बन जाता है 4-digit नंबर. सो हमारा आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, हम बस इसको रिप्लेस कर देंगे. पहले 3 लिखेंगे फिर 0 लिखेंगे. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट 5-digit नंबर बन जाएगा 30,457. So this is the 5-digit biggest and smallest number. Okay, sixth question. The name of some place and their population are given below. Using this information to answer the question that follow. So these are the name of some places: Tala, Moregaon, Asti, Gagan Bhavara, Bhamragarh, then Vashi, Bhodwat, Vilhe and Morwada. So and their population. So which place has the greatest population? What is the population? Now see, first you just go through whether all the digits are of same. See, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 5-digit number, 5-digit, 5-digit. Almost all are 5-digit number. Now the highest, they have asked greatest. So सबसे बड़ा number यहाँ पे है. See, 92, 91. So 91 means 92 is the greatest. So that means this is the which place has the greatest population. So that means Vashi. Vashi has the greatest population, and how much? 92,173. So we have to write Vashi has the greatest population, that is 92,173. Now second question, which place, Morwada or Moregaon, has the greatest population? So they have given two names, Morwada and Moregaon. See, this is the Moregaon and this is the Morwada. So here is 85,890 and 87. So which is the greatest? जाहिर सी बात है 87 बड़ा होगा 85 से. So your answer will be Moregaon. So we will write Moregaon has the greater population. Then third one, which place has the smallest population? How much is it? So smallest, see 40, 80, 70, 35, 35, then 91, 54. So this 2 is of 35. In this 35,700, here 35,900. So this 700. So that is Gagan Bawada. So your answer will be Gagan Bawada has the smallest population of 35,777. So this is the 3 answer.